back to Dad and Little Dude Play. Today we are doing the bunk bed project Brown Edition.
You might think we're at a jungle gym or something, but really, we're in your
bedroom.
Okay, this is what we got going on so far. First of all, if you're gonna build something with 2x4s, you better know how to sand, right, Mom? Yes, because we've been sanding like crazy, trying to get these 2x4s smooth. What we've got here is 4 bunks, 1, 2, 3, 4, and monkey bars. We built these are everything you see is 2x4s except for the whiteboard and the top of the stage. And these monkey bars that we got off Amazon. Everything else though, 2x4s. And right now we're just wiping down all the dust. We've done all the putty, we've done all the cuts ourselves. We obviously don't know what we're doing in some cases, so you can see like some of our workmanship, but this sucker is sturdy. I've climbed up on the stage, I've climbed on the bunk beds, and it holds Big Fat Dad, so it'll hold like 10 kids. No problem at all, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is gonna be the bottom bunk area, and in it, there's 2 entrances. The one I just came through right here, and then this entrance right here. Oh, this one, the one I just came through will be covered by a Barbie house. Then everything down here, you have this cool little tunnel. This tunnel goes through to the other side bunk bed, other bunk. And then out here on top is the stage area. This is where they can showcase their singing, dancing, joke telling, stand-up comedy night, or whatever. And we built a little staircase that goes up. We got these plans off the internet, kind of. What are you doing up there?
No, you gotta get down there, but I already wiped up there.
That's against the rules. You can't be on top of the monkey bars. We're gonna let little dude give the monkey bars a run. Okay. All right, little dude. Show us what you got. Whoa, whoa, you almost kicked Billy in the head. Ooh, ooh. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Get him ready for Ninja Warrior. Yeah.
Junior.
Ninja Warrior Junior. The plans we found on the internet had a staircase right in the middle.
And it had the whole bunks, they went way farther.
Yeah, the bunks came farther out from the wall. We didn't have that much space, so we made a little sideways staircase that yours truly can climb up, and they don't even flex. Here, let me show everybody.
And it's just little too, so it takes hardly any space.
Yeah, it doesn't take any space, but I can walk right up them. No problem at all. They don't break, they don't shake, they don't quake. And then I get up here on the stage and I can do my thing. I would show you the other side of the room, but it is a complete and utter disaster in here. On the top bunks, we're gonna create a little door mechanism so that we can easily pull mattresses out and back in if we have to. And on top of the little slats for the bunk bed, we got more of this material. It's gonna go on top. So the mattresses will be easy to pull in and out. And nothing actually goes to the ceiling. These are just here. We were gonna have this like...
More balance.
Yeah, there we go. That's a handle. There's a handle right here. Sure, this is a handle when you're climbing up the stairs.
Well, there will be a plank too that...
There is gonna be a plank right here that attaches to this so nobody can roll out of the bunk bed while they're sleeping. Okay, quick update. Painting. You got any tips for painting 2x4s?
So freaking long.
Yeah, they kind of, I mean, we sanded the crap out of a lot of these, but you can still see some of the grain. But we're calling in the big guns tomorrow to come help paint, and hopefully it'll speed up the process. But I mean, as you can see, if you stand back here and kind of blur your eyes, it looks really good. But other than that, I mean, this is an awesome little area. That's called cheating when you start halfway. You used to be able to do those. Come here, come here. Is somebody getting a little soft?
No.
A little too many video games and not enough monkey bars? Oh, I think so.
Subscribe or else you'll be sent to Asgard.
Okay, so it's finally the unveiling of the bunk bed project. You can see here, it's a pretty average sized bedroom. But if you're like me and little dude's mom, you have more kids than you have rooms because that's just how it happens. So we made these magical bunk beds. Da, 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 da. And we included monkey bars. They're not too far off the ground. You can see little dude here. Hang on, a little dude. His feet are pretty close to the ground. He could probably tippy toe and touch. Then little dude's sister. Let's see how far your feet hang, Millie Moo. Hers are about 2 feet. She could hurt herself if she wasn't so strong. And little dude's other sister, how far do your feet dangle? Only about a foot, so we're good there. Okay, now the top bunks, you can see that little light. Hey, go in there and turn that light on and off, show them how it works. Little pull string. These are IKEA lights. Do it again, little dude. Yeah, so, and we have one in every single bunk. Down there, so when it's dark, they can each have their own little light. And then these beddies, very expensive, but pretty cool. They're like a cover that goes over the whole bed, and then you can just, it's like a sleeping bag.
It's basically a sleeping bag.
Yeah. I wish that the zippers worked better. Under the stage, you can see the little tunnel here. This goes from one bunk to the other, and there's the other light down there. These lights really are pretty cool. But, oh, well, here's the stage. We got it. We went to town with 2x4s. By the way, 2x4s, you gotta be able to sand them and cut them, and you can build this, no problem. This stuff on top is like some kind of Formica or something. I don't know. It's very sturdy. Everything in here is very sturdy. Aside from all the little kids crying around here, this is the whiteboard. Show them the whiteboard, little dude. It's a whole sheet of, it's not technically whiteboard, but it works the same way. And so they can have little art and drawing time. We built these little stairs. Now, they are, everything in here is Large Dad tested and approved. Check it out. Look at these stairs. Okay, Dad, 250 pounds.
250 pounds?
Stairs, stairs, stairs. No problemo. Stage, 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 stage.
Try
stage.
jumping.
No problemo.
Jumping.
I don't want to jump on it. Bed. Dad could be up here in the bed.
Don't forget the monkey bars.
It would be different, but monkey bars. Woo! See that? So it's Large Dad tested and approved. Now, these mattresses, we can slide them out if we got to change the bedding. Over there, we just move the dollhouse and slide them out, and then we made these doors. These doors are my fabrication. Oh. I just got some angle iron, cut it, drilled it, shaped it, a rod, drilled a hole in the end for some cotter pins for the makeshift hinge. And we do want to have like a handle here. We haven't done that yet. But as you can see, it just pops open, and then you can
Boom.
change the mattress that way. You pull the mattress out and change the bedding. We throw that stuff back up in there, little dude. You can see that's how that works. We were thinking we may need to put another. We were thinking we may need to put another board here because little kids like to climb out here and weasel their ways through the monkey bars. So yeah, there too, and maybe even over the top because little dude's baby sister likes to poke her head over that, and I hate to see her come tumbling down. Whack, 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 whack. Yeah, but as you can see, the project alone probably took 2.5 weeks working pretty good on it, at least 2 or 3 hours a day. And there was learning curves. We didn't know a lot of the stuff, but we figured it out and we were able to pull it off. If you have any questions, just ask us and we'll be able to let you know. Little dude, do you like your bunk bed?
Bye, people.
Little dude, do you like your bunk bed?
Yeah.
Little dude,
Bye,
do you like your bunk bed?
Bye, people. And they'll stop. Hey, why did you do that? Subscribe and like, or else no one will come and curse you.
I think you broke it.
If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to ring that bell and subscribe. We upload every Saturday. So we upload one video a week, and it's on Saturday.